Okay, looks like we're going to do a cold start video here. According to the thermometer in my garage, it is maybe 31, 32, 32. It's pretty cold. It's cold outside. It's been snowing quite a bit today. So we'll do a cold start video. And, I don't have any fancy, not that it's fancy, but I don't have any infrared thermal thermometers or anything, so I'll just prove it by grabbing all the hot bits and try this out. I haven't started it since the last cold start video, which was about a week after Thanksgiving. So oh my god, the pleather is just ice cold. Ugh, burr. Okay, so we got some activity. Here we go. Engine temp is 33.8. It's pretty freaking cold. Keyed right over. Love it. Love it. Going to the grocery store with my ET Streets on. Gonna die.